really just wanna see you. Oh, Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows. In the city, life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing, wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Oh, show me, Chongqing. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing. Just show me, Chongqing. Won't you show me, Chongqing?
So this is Chongqing, and we're in Chongqing, so we're going to explore and walk all the way up that way and give you an idea of what a random street looks like in Chongqing, starting from right here. And you got some other monuments like this one, and we'll show you what it's all about, so stay tuned. Okay, little slice of Chongqing up on the map. So basically this one, we're gonna just call it like the CBD or downtown, because there's a lot of references to that. And I'm wandering around and meandering in the downtown, what you'd consider downtown Chongqing. So that's what that's all about. That's the location of it. I also letting you know that I still have another 15 videos of Chongqing all over the city that I'm gonna keep uploading and showing you. I'll probably put a new one up every 5 days probably. So keep in contact for that. And then lastly, the music. So I wrote the lyrics, fed it into AI, and then that's what it came up with over there. So anyways, Chongqing, let's just get into it, the walk and talk. I'm gonna walk down the street and kind of show you some streets in the downtown area of Chongqing, China. Okay, so this is Chongqing, and we're just gonna walk the street with all these crowds of people everywhere. You got some buses over here. And yeah, there's a lot of people coming down. And we're going towards Liberation Monument, which I'm going to assume is liberation from a certain bad time period. Basically European expansionism. So you had some food options around here. I guess we're going this way. Okay. Just kind of meandering down this street in Chongqing, and we're going towards kind of a tourist area, so let me just see where we are exactly. Mercure Hotel, Somerset Hotel. And I guess this is a kind of a Segway street that leads into something bigger. So we'll see what that. I can see all the people up this way. Okay, now we got tons of people up here. Yeah, actually they got some big tourist attractions here. Hangya Cave, I was there last night. I have a lot of videos that are up about that one already. And we're gonna walk towards People's Liberation Monument. So that'll be our focus here. Which I think starts right in this space as soon as we cross over the street. Right in here, so we just have to wait until that light turns green. Then we'll just kind of, there's also a train station right here. Thought that whistle might be for us. KTV. We got this big mascot right there. Lots of people coming in now. So this light is going to take a long time before it turns green. Seems like. Okay, there we go. Cross this way like this. And then now we're coming into Monument Square. So I guess we started over by Somerset Hotel, which was a reference point, and then now we're in this pedestrian street. Everybody's back. I want to go where people are walking towards us, but it's got everybody's back. Okay. Yogurt cow. Everybody's walking into it. Nobody's walking out of it. So this is let me kind of come over a little bit. Okay. Liberation Monuments. Another little taste of Chongqing. We'll walk right into this, of course. So Chongqing's over 25 million people, one of the largest cities in the world. And you got mountains throughout. So it has a nice, beautiful terrain. And we're kind of like, I think I read it was 4 rivers that came together. Just kind of crazy. The biggest one being the Yangtze. Okay, let me try to find where the people are at. I mean, I see people everywhere, but they're not. Not in front of my camera. And that's the one that we're going to go to right now. It's that big monument right in the middle. So that'll be where we're going to end this video. And that'll be more of a density of people. And now I see more people coming at me, which is what I like. Okay. Taste of Chongqing nonetheless. And then soon this will be all lit up and it'll look pretty cool. It's just starting to light up now. So I'll do a different video after this. There's a woman photographing me. She was very eager to... I should have stopped and photographed her, but yeah, I got probably on the peripheral side of the camera. Okay. It's hard to know if she's filming me because I'm a foreigner or because I have a camera. I guess because I'm a foreigner. Okay. Okay, we're just going right up to Liberation Monument. We will be there soon. Hold on. Almost there. Almost there. Everybody's trying to get a shot. I don't know if there's something that's supposed to happen in a few minutes or just because of lights. Okay, so this is Liberation Monument. So I'll probably do a separate video where I start here and kind of film a little bit more. And we just basically kind of meandered around until we came all the way to Liberation Monument. Okay. Hope that was interesting. And that's the monument right there.
Hey, hey, Chongqing.